Hey, what's good, guys? This is not a review, but this is a demonstration on how to use these cuffs. These are the Smith & Wesson Model 100s. The Smith & Wesson Model 300s is the hinge. This is chain. How you work with this is that there is, like, right there a little knob. So you put the key in on this knob. You can do that, and then it locks, and then mine comes undone for some reason. I don't like that though, but still, I mean, that's how you work them, and it's very simple to operate. Oh, that one's locked. Oh no, that's not. So it's just like that, and then so like that, and then you stick the key in. You unlock the handcuffs like always. That easy. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.